Hey y'all! Welcome back to another episode of Kraystar Flavor King, where we bring you the most mouth-watering recipes to spice up your kitchen adventures. If you're looking to grill like Bobby Flay, the master of the grill himself, you're in the right place. We're about to dive into a recipe that's sure to impress at your next barbecue. Today, I'm showing you how to make his grilled chicken breasts with spicy peach glaze. This dish is a perfect blend of flavors that will leave your guests asking for more. It's got that perfect mix of sweet and spicy, creating a symphony of flavors in every bite. And trust me, your taste buds are gonna thank you. This recipe is not just about cooking, it's about creating an experience. First up, let's get our ingredients together. Having everything prepped and ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. You'll need 2 cups peach preserves or jam. This is the star ingredient that gives our glaze its unique sweetness. 3 tablespoons olive oil, plus more for brushing. Olive oil helps in blending the flavors and keeps the chicken moist. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. This adds a savory depth to our glaze. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. It brings a subtle tanginess that balances the sweetness of the peaches. 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic. Garlic adds a robust flavor that enhances the overall taste. 1 small jalapeno, finely chopped. This is where the heat comes in, giving our glaze that spicy kick. Kosher salt and freshly ground pepper. These are essential for seasoning and bringing out the flavors. 8 French chicken breasts. French chicken breasts have the bone exposed, which adds to the presentation and flavor. 4 ripe peaches cut in half and pitted. These will be grilled to perfection and served alongside the chicken. Now, let's get mixing that glaze. This is where all the magic starts to happen. In a medium bowl, combine your peach preserves, olive oil, soy sauce, mustard, garlic, and jalapeno. Mix it well until all the ingredients are fully incorporated. Season it with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. This will enhance the flavors even more. And then reserve half a cup of this delicious mixture for later. We'll use it to glaze the chicken and peaches while they're on the grill. All right, time to preheat that grill. Make sure it's nice and hot before you start cooking. While it's heating up, brush your chicken breasts with olive oil and season them generously with salt and pepper. This will help in getting that perfect golden brown color. Once your grill's ready, place the chicken skin side down and cook until it's golden brown, about 6 to 7 minutes. The skin will get crispy and delicious. Flip them over and continue cooking for another 5 to 6 minutes. This ensures the chicken is cooked through and juicy. Now, here's where the magic happens. Brush both sides with that mouth-watering peach glaze and continue cooking until they're done, which should be an additional 4 to 5 minutes. The glaze will caramelize and create a beautiful, flavorful crust. Now don't forget about those peaches. They're an essential part of this dish. Place the peach halves cut side down on the grill and let them cook for about 2 minutes. This will give them a nice char and enhance their natural sweetness. Flip them over, brush with the reserved peach glaze, and grill until they're soft. That's usually another 3 to 4 minutes. The glaze will add a lovely shine and extra flavor. And there you have it. A dish that's not only delicious but also visually stunning. Perfectly grilled chicken with a spicy peach glaze, paired with those deliciously soft grilled peaches. It's a combination that's sure to impress. Serve it up and watch everyone's eyes light up. This dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family dinner or a summer barbecue with friends. If y'all loved this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Your support helps us bring more delicious recipes to you. Catch the full recipe and the backstory in the description below. Happy grilling, y'all! Enjoy every bite and make every meal a celebration. See you next time on Kraystar Flavor King. Keep cooking and keep smiling.